When you think of a star, do you think of a starfish? Do you think of a star in the sky? Or maybe you think of a movie star. In the story, The Starkeeper by Faith Pray, we have our main character who's living in a lonely, dark world. And each day she goes to feed her fish or feed fish in the center square of her town. There's a kitty cat that's there with her. And one day she finds a light. And this light is very bright. And she decides to figure out how she can share this light or be a star keeper. And she learns that as she spreads the light from the star around, that the world all of a sudden doesn't stay so dark. And she takes the star with her everywhere she goes. And the star continues to grow as she continues to share it. So she learns how to be a star keeper. And she learns that although it's not instantaneous, shining the light for others is a way to share light and get rid of the lonely dark and to make the world a better place. So maybe you are a star keeper with light as well. It's a beautiful story, The Starkeeper.